Imagine stealing $90 million. You didn't rob a bank, and you didn't hack a crypto exchange. Instead, you stole it from the most vulnerable people in society, children with autism. This isn't the plot of a Hollywood heist movie. This just happened in Minnesota. A massive criminal network infiltrated the US healthcare system, creating fake clinics and billing the government for millions. But when the FBI finally knocked on their doors, one of the ringleaders didn't just surrender, he literally jumped off a fourth-floor balcony to escape. Welcome to Money Mysteries, where today we are unraveling one of the most ruthless healthcare frauds in American history. To understand how a fraud this massive happens, we need to look at the system they exploited. The Medicaid program is designed to help low-income families and children with severe medical conditions. It's a lifeline. But for 15 individuals in Minnesota, it was a giant piggy bank. The Department of Justice revealed that this syndicate targeted a specific fund meant to provide therapy for children with autism. But they weren't providing therapy. They were running a ghost operation. Here is how the $90 million scheme worked. The suspects allegedly created fake diagnostic clinics. They would forge documents claiming they had diagnosed children with autism. Then they would bill the state of Minnesota and the federal government for intense, daily therapy sessions that never actually happened. In some cases, they billed the government for services provided on days when the children weren't even in the state. Millions of dollars of taxpayer money poured into their bank accounts. While the families who actually needed the funds faced long waiting lists, the scammers were living large. But you can't siphon $90 million out of federal funds without leaving a massive paper trail. The FBI and the DOJ were quietly building a case, and in May, they dropped the hammer, indicting 15 people in a sweeping sting operation. The arrests went as planned, except for one. When federal agents arrived to arrest 29-year-old Mohammed Omar, he made a desperate, terrifying choice. Rather than face federal prison, Omar jumped from the balcony of his fourth-floor apartment. Miraculously surviving the massive fall, he managed to escape. As of right now, he is a fugitive on the run, hunted by federal agents across the country. The Minnesota autism fraud case is a chilling reminder of how easy it can be for bad actors to exploit the very systems meant to protect us. The DOJ has promised to recover the stolen funds, but the investigation is still wide open. Do you think the government needs stricter audits to prevent this kind of massive fraud? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to dive deeper into the world's most shocking financial crimes, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep following the money.